Tired of being stuck with that old Facebook name? Let's get you updated in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to Facebook on your computer. Next, tap the three horizontal lines, usually located at the top right or bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy from there. Tap Settings. Now, you will see the Account Settings area. Click on Personal and Account Information. On the Settings page, tap Name. This is where you can change your first, middle, and last name. Carefully type in your new first, middle if applicable, and last name. Double check for any typos. Now, here's a crucial heads up. Facebook only lets you change your name once every 60 days, so make sure you're happy with your new selection. Tap Review Change. Choose how you want your name to appear on your profile. You will now need to enter your Facebook password to confirm the change. And that's it. Once you've entered your password, your name will be updated. Keep in mind, Facebook might ask for verification if they think the name change violates their policies. Now go enjoy your fresh new profile.